Greetings viewers, I am Eric the Car Guy and thank you for tuning in today. I'm going to start by saying that today's video is brought to you by Shell Premium V-Power Nitro Plus. Now a few of you to my last video had made comments to the effect of, Eric, we can't wait to see a video about the Power Tour. Well, I'm going to make a confession. I didn't take a whole lot of video during the Power Tour. Honestly, I was pretty worn out from putting the truck together over the previous months so that I could have it ready in time for Dad to drive. And I needed a little bit of time. However, I did take the opportunity after Dad had some time driving the truck to ask him some questions about how he felt about the truck. And well, here are those questions and answers.
Why did you get the truck in the first place?
Well, I used to have a boat and I had an old Suburban that I got rid of. And I had to have somebody haul the boat down for me and pull it out each year. So I was looking for a truck. And a friend of mine came up from the Carolinas from school and was working at the place I worked and had this real nice truck that came from the Dale Earnhardt Chevrolet dealership in North Carolina. This was back in about 2004. So he was ready to sell the truck as his kids were getting to the age where they could damage things. I jumped on it. It was a good deal.
After you got the truck, was there anything that you didn't like about it that you wish it didn't do or did do?
No, actually, I fell in love with the truck right off. Turned heads when you go down the road. People would look at you and you knew they were looking at the truck because they certainly weren't eyeballing this old man.
What did you like the most about the truck after you got it?
I like the style wheels that were on the truck, and the ones that are on here now are a similar style. And thinking back in the day, we called it centerline wheels, and had the white letter raised tires on it. Tiger Paws, if I remember right. And just the color combination of the black truck with a mute red trim and those aluminum wheels and raised white ones looked really cool on it. It was just a cool looking truck, blacked out grill, and that was all factory look.
Now that you put about 600 miles on the truck, are there things you like or don't like about it better than it was before?
I'd have to say everything is better than it was before now. I loved the truck before, but now it's cruising down the highway just great. It's got more than enough power. The old motor before it was rebuilt and the old transmission that were in it were a little sluggish at times. But this has got the power when you want it. Now with the disc brake conversion on the rears, it's just a fantastic vehicle. Being lowered and the different suspension tricks that was put into it. The wide ride's nice, handles good, and couldn't be more pleased with it.
How has the truck done for you on the Power Tour so far?
Been a lot of fun. This is my first Power Tour. 71 years old. Used to read Hot Rod magazine back when I was not even able to drive yet. 13, 14 years old. And it's just been interesting tour. Meet all kinds of motorheads out there, people with new type vehicles that are a lot of power, people with older vehicles, retro mods, customs. It's just a smorgasbord for any kind of car hunting around. Always find something you need, something you like, and something you can't afford.
Now that you've spent some time with the truck, do you think you'll go back and start working on the 51?
Well, I think there's much more of a possibility of that now. It's kind of stirs your interest again to at least see if I can get the thing running again. That's been set for a lot of years. It needs quite a bit though just to get it on the road. It's got to have brakes all the way around, brake lines, gas tank's got to come off, be washed out. The motor itself, I can still turn it over by hand, so I know the motor's not froze. I got to get rid of the old gas. Not sure, I'm not too concerned about the way the body looks right now. I just would like to get it running again. It used to be my grandfather and grandmother's car, so I think it's time to get it back on the road.
Now, in addition to those questions that I asked, we stopped for fuel once and I asked Dad what he thought of the Shell Premium V-Power Nitro Plus, which is what we put in both the truck and the Fairmont during the Power Tour.
So Dad, what do you think of the Shell Premium V-Power Nitro Plus?
been running great. We've got over 600 miles on it since we first got this engine running, and it's burning right along with Shell.
One more thing I would like to add about Shell Premium V-Power Nitro Plus that we ran in both the truck and the Fairmont during the power tour is, as far as the Fairmont's concerned, I didn't have any issues, and the fuel injection was working out really well. Very glad that I converted that over before I did the power tour. But it did its fastest time ever at Z-Max Dragway at a 12.2 in the quarter mile. I still feel there's a lot more there that I can do. I can be a better driver for one, but also traction is still an issue, so I need to get those sticky tires on the back to see if I can get my 60-foot time down. But ran it on Shell Premium V-Power Nitro Plus, and it did really well. I'll put a link to Shell V-Power Premium Nitro Plus in the description, along with a link to EricTheCarGuy.com if you have automotive questions. Thanks for tuning in. I'm sorry I didn't give you more power tour footage, that type of thing. Honestly, I was really kind of tired and worn out from all the work that I did to the truck in order to get it on the power tour, and I just wanted to take a little break and spend some time with my dad. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.